Hello guys, today I will unboxing a tripod for your mobile phones, and this is my new channel. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. So let's get started. It's tripod 3110, three-way head, built-in level 4 sec aluminum legs and quick lock. Okay, take it out, and it's come with a bag. This is obviously a phone holder. Okay, it's made up of stainless steel. These are the locks to adjust the height of the tripod. Fix this mobile stand. Okay, here is the lever to tighten it. Okay, now I'll show you the full view of this. The height is almost 4 feet. Let me put my phone here. If you want to shoot videos from your phone, then this is so good. I personally suggest you to buy this. Watch a shot I take from this tripod.